Welcome back to our another tutorial. Here you will learn how to fix Gmail not receiving any emails. So let's get started. Opening your Gmail application, tap this 3-bar icon on your top left corner. Here scroll down to Settings, and here turn on your notifications. Again scroll down and sync your Gmail. Once you are done, open your phone setting. Here scroll down to Apps and search for Gmail. Tap in your Gmail. Go to Storage and clear the cache. After that, go to Notifications and tap on Allow. And this should solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more.